Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Tips. So it has been a minute since I have done a long form video. So I had a brand to send me, they reached out to me about their nail polish line. So I want to do an unboxing on here. And I also want to show you guys how it looks. I want to kind of give you my opinion as well. And I'll also leave a code in there for you to purchase if you choose. So we'll see how that turns out. But guys, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you if you're already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I reached over 8,000 subscribers, so I'm so excited. And I'm just looking more to the future and excited for more continued growth. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I'll see you guys in just a moment. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I like to do all my unboxings on camera, so we're just gonna do it all on camera. Looks like it came in 2 separate boxes. I did order 2 different colors, and then they were also supposed to send like the UV kit and all of that stuff. Oh wow. Okay, so they got it packaged really well. Okay, so here's the UV lamp, it's a mini LED UV lamp. If anything else is in here. All right, and the company is called Nail Reserve, as you can see here. All the communication that I've had with, I don't know if it was the rep or the person that owns it, but the person that I was communicating with had very good customer service, very nice. I received this package. Well, I did get it late through my mailbox, but once I did receive it, it's still been a few weeks. I just haven't had time to do the review. They reached back out to me, and I had planned to do it this weekend, so I let them know. They were still very nice, and said that they were excited to see, what I thought about the product. So I'm excited about doing this review today. And I've been needing to do my nails. My nails look awful. They look awful. I haven't done anything to them. I stopped getting them done because it was just costing too much, and then it went up, and I felt like they were doing less on my nails. It seems like they were charging more but doing less, and they weren't doing the cuticles. They charged for the cuticles, and I have long nail beds, so if my natural nails just grows a little bit over my finger, they were charging me for that. Like it was just too much. They were charging for every single little thing. I remember several years ago when nails used to cost like $15 to get a fill in. So up to now, what they're charging, like, it's just outrageous. So, and I enjoy all things beauty, so I'm down for doing my own nails. It's just I rarely have time to do it. So I did ask for 2 colors, and so this was one color here. Don't know if you guys can see it. It's called Iced Coffee. It's kind of like I guess maybe like a taupe color. It's got a little, like a little pink and a little brown or tannish, like an earth tone. And the other color I got was Mythical. I love a white nail polish, so that's what I got. I would probably use this on my nails and my toenails. It also comes with a base polish, and it also has a top coat with it. So they sent me the top coat, 2 nail polishes, and the base coat along with the UV lamp. Okay guys, so I am on their website now, and just a little bit about it. So this product is vegan and cruelty free, which is a plus. It's free of the 9 highest chemicals usually present in gel polish. And their website is nailreserve.com. If you do like this product, you can use All Things with Tip for 50% off. You can apply it to a minimum of 2 products, and it can't be used with any of their other promotions. All right, and I'll put that code in the description as well as the bottom of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and, well, I guess I can do it on camera. Hopefully I don't run out of video. All right, so I'm just gonna use my nail file here. All right, so I have this nail file. It has like everything on the nail. that you would need, like from step 1 to step 2. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll add it in the description. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth and shape my nails. And actually, I'm not gonna leave y'all on here this whole time because it might take a minute. All right, guys, so I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. Make sure you like and subscribe if you have not already done so. And just to speed it up real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera because I know y'all don't want to hear what I got to say. But I'll be right back whenever I get ready to paint my nails. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, guys, so this is how my nails look after I was done shaping and filing them. And this is me just starting to, with the step 1 of the product, applying the base coat to my nails after I filed and shaped them. And once I apply this thin layer, I'm gonna go in with the UV LED light. With the UV LED light, it does turn off by itself after I think about 45 to 60 minutes, but you do want to do that at least 2 or 3 more times. At least that's what I did, because the instructions say you do want to let it cure for at least 2 minutes at a time. So I do recommend allowing it to cure at least 2 to 3 more times with the UV lamp. And now I'm just going in with the iced toffee over my nails. Again, you need a thin layer for each nail. It's a very thick polish, so you don't need to do a second coat. At least I did not need to do it for myself. The instructions say that you can apply up to 3 coats. Then I just decided to do something different because I wanted to try the white nail polish as well. And as you can see, it's just 1 coat that is needed. I didn't paint my nails too well, but I did try to clean it up as best as I could. But I love how it's only 1 coat that is needed, and that helped me to finish this really quick. So I can't wait to try the new colors that they have. And so between each coat of polish, I went in and cured it. And so once it was cured with this polish, I went in with the top coat. And as you notice, if you can notice, like each coat had a nice shine to it. It wasn't dull or anything. So now I'm applying the top coat. The top coat just seals everything in, and it gives it an even more beautiful shine, like that salon finish. And again, after I added that top coat to my last fingernail, I go in and I cure it for about 2 to 3 times. Sometimes I went ahead and did a 4th time, but once it was fully cured, it was completely dry. You did not have to worry about it messing up at all whatsoever. And this video does not do this polish any justice. Like, I really, really love this product. Okay, guys, I'm back. So you guys saw me applying the polish. It was very easy to apply. I don't know if you can see it really good, but it was very easy to apply. As you saw, it was just 1 coat. I did like that. I did have to go back and do the first time over again because I did not allow it to cure as long. So I recommend letting your UV lamp go maybe like at least 2 to 3 times just to ensure that your coats are cured in between the polishes. But once they do, it looks like a salon finish. Only thing I would do is just maybe add my cuticle oil, but I don't even need that. Like, it has a really nice shine to it. I think it looks well. I just didn't paint it as good, but I think they turned out really nice. I really love this. I definitely would purchase this again. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the other hand so that you guys can see it all together, and I'll be right back with you. Hey guys, so I am back. I have finished my nails. I probably should put some lotion on. So I finished my nails. I think I am a new customer to the Nail Reserve. I don't like doing reviews unless I like the product, and because I like to be honest, and I would still do a review even if I don't like the product, but I'm going to be honest. And I love love, love my nails. So I am definitely a new customer to the Nail Reserve. I'm not the best nail painter, polish painter, but I love my nails. I think I like the white the most. I do like this other color, the iced toffee, but I probably should have painted like all of my nails the iced toffee, or I would do like maybe like a design or something on my ring fingers. But here are my nails. I love the shine. Every time I laid a coat, I got shine out of it. The longest or the most difficult part for me was just making sure that I cured the nail, because I did do it several times, maybe 3 to 4 times, but I love the actual polish. It's very nice. I only had to do 1 coat of each polish. I only had to go over it 1 time, and it's a thicker polish, so you don't have to use a lot. And so I really like it, and I would definitely be doing more colors, especially for this summer. I would love to see if they have like a neon. I love the neon yellow color for the summer, so I'm definitely going to check that out. And that would also be something good to see if that color only uses 1 coat, because usually with that polish you have to do more than 1 coat. If I hadn't been thinking about it, I would have asked them to send me that one. But okay, so this is long drawn out video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys like my nails. I'm definitely going to be a new customer for the Nail Reserve. I'll be purchasing my own colors after this video. And again, that code is all things with tip. It's nailreserve.com. I'll put all the details in the description below. Make sure you guys go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. You know what it is. Stay blessed. Peace.